Hi everyone, Pasha's here. If you remember from my previous video, I'm looking for a large condo for my buyer and we're looking at above 1,000 square feet. So I'm looking into the current market and also the recent sold within that range. I came across this one actually, it kind of caught my eyes. This one is on Queensquay. So if you're from Toronto, you know where it is. It's right on the water, the street from Rogers Centre, CN Tower, and amazing views. So let's get to it actually. I'm really interested to share this with you. Fairly old building. You're probably looking at 20 to 25 years old, kind of dated finishes, but the views are astonishing. Like there's literally nothing blocking your views. You're looking over the water, Toronto Island, the pier, Rogers Centre, parks, you name it. You have it all. Very close to the downtown core, but not right in it. You have access to tons of amenities. Like I mentioned, the views are just gorgeous. Here's some pictures from inside the unit. The kitchen is amazing. You know, this size kitchen, you'd probably get it on a $3, $4, $5 million houses actually. So great appliances, tons of storage, you know, all the good stuff that you need. Double dishwasher, massive living room with tons of natural light coming in. I mean, the living room is large enough that they were able to even fit a piano there. Like, think of it. The main bathroom is just amazing. Like, look at this. Double sink, you know, large shower, and again, huge living space, great dining area right there in the corner, you know, because this is a corner unit. I mean, it just can't get better than this in terms of the natural light, the views, and all the good stuff. And that's the primary bedroom. As you see, it's kind of open to the bathroom. So it's kind of cool. I mean, some people like it, some people don't. So I've done the math on this, which I'll show you on the next slide. So here's the summary of this transaction. This was listed $2.8 million, so $2,838,000. It was sold for $2,740,000 in 17 days. Guys, there's 8 months of inventory out there in the downtown core area. However, a lot of those, you know, condos that are currently listed are typically, you know, investor bought somewhere from 450 square feet to 1,000 square feet, but majority of them falling under 700 square feet. And, you know, investor bought, they're not cash flowing, the rents are not keeping up. So they're trying to unload. So that's why we have this number of listings available in the downtown core, in the condo segment. Taxes are $7,596 a year. Maintenance fee is $2,418 a rent. This is someone's rent on a, you know, one bedroom apartment in downtown right now. So that's just the maintenance fee. The apartment itself is, you know, approximately 2,300 square feet, and that ends up to price per square feet of $1,073, which is like an average, you know, resale price right now, somewhere between, you know, $1,000 to $1,200, depending on the building. Like I mentioned, it's a 20 to 25-year-old building. There's one parking and one locker. The land transfer tax on this transaction only, which, you know, the new buyers will have to pay for it, is $109,000. That could be a down payment, and the closing fees of approximately $4,000. So this actually caught my eyes because, you know, even with this market condition that we're in right now, there's still, you know, transactions like this happening in 17 days, which is, you know, quite surprising. And, you know, somebody actually came in and dropped $2.7 million on a 2,300 square feet apartment. So stuff like this actually always, you know, amazes me that, you know, things will happen like this that aren't completely contrary to what we see on a day-to-day basis. So these are not actually, you know, the transactions or the properties that can actually set the trend. The trend is mainly towards what most of the people can buy, not a $2.7 million apartment. But hey, this is also happening in Toronto. So my name is Pasha. I'm your local real estate specialist. I'm always here to help. If you have any questions that you want to chat about what the market condition is, or you're just interested to know more, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to help. I will leave a link down in the description so you can click on it, just fill up the itinerary, and we'll be happy to chat. Thank you.